We're going to have a go at, or have a look at how to count the letters in your assignment the quickest way we can using Ctrl F in Word. So the first thing to do is to go to where the assignment is stored on G Drive and open up that assignment. Okay, scroll down to where sample 2 is. Okay, highlight all of sample 2. Be sure not to take any extra letters. Then you need to copy that and then press Ctrl N to bring up a new document and then paste sample 2. Okay, now to count the number of letters, press Ctrl F, and in this navigation bar up here, type in A, and you can see here that there are 119 A's in that sample text. Okay, we're just going to remember that, and now we're going to go and open an Excel spreadsheet. And what we will do is we'll grab that spreadsheet, take it over against the side of the screen, and basically bounce it against the side of the screen so you get this effect, half screen here, and then click on your Word document. Okay, in your Excel spreadsheet, type letter, frequency, and frequency percentage. Enter your letters in this column. Okay, and you would do down to Z for that, but I'll only do H to H for an example. So there were 119 A's. Now we'll go back and do B. There are 24 B's. Now we'll do C's. There are 36. D's. There are 71. E's. 209. F. 46. Now that's where I'll stop. You've got to do down to Z, but I'll stop at 46. I'll stop at F. Okay, bringing that up to full screen now. Okay, underneath Z, you need to add together how many letters appear in that sample. To do that, you highlight one of the cells, press equals, then type SUM, open bracket, and highlight all of those cells. You then close the bracket. Press enter. So there are 505 letters from A to F in that sample. Now, next to, in your case, Z, my case F, I'm going to type equals, open bracket, and I'm going to select how many F's there are. I'm then pressing divide, which is the forward slash. And I'm going to divide by the sum of letters there are. Okay, then I'm going to click in here and put a $sign and another $sign there. Then click at the end, close the bracket, and multiply by 100. To get the multiply, you press Shift 8. Press enter. So that's telling me that 9% of the letters are F in that text. I'm going to click on that cell and go click Home, and then this button here, and that's decrease decimal. Okay, so I've just decreased it to 2 decimal places. Then I come back to this cell, I get my cursor, hover it over that square bit on the cell, press my mouse, press and hold, and drag up, and all my percentages have been calculated. Lastly, File, Save As, and save it in a relevant folder on your H drive. And that's how you do a count and a frequency percentage determination of the letters in the sample text. You need to do that for sample 1, sample 2, and then sample 1 and 2 of the Hindi text.